hi to our vlog. So I'm here with
Ali and Crystal.
So what can you say about Palawan?
Well, I've only been here for 2 days.
2 days.
So far, it's like paradise. It's absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful.
The people are the kindest people, and all the dogs are also really kind.
Awesome.
All the dogs are super kind, and the weather, the food,
Just absolutely beautiful.
stunning.
Yeah.
So amazing.
Heaven on earth.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you will rate 1 to 10, what will you rate
Palawan?
Palawan?
11.
Yeah.
11.
11.
Wow.
Yeah. It was
Exceeded
amazing.
the expectation?
Yeah, actually, I had no expectations.
Oh, really?
No expectations. Just wanted to come, see what it was all about.
Wow.
And we love it.
So would you like to invest here in the Philippines?
Oh my god, if I had the money,
Yeah,
sure.
me
Wow,
too.
for sure. Yeah.
I love to
So,
live here.
so let's just enjoy and have fun and enjoy the beach.
Yay!
Alright.
Very much.
Say bye to our vlog for
Bye,
now.
bye.
Bye. Hello. I'm here with
Nadia.
and
Elliot.
oh yeah. So what can you say about the Philippines in general?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. And
Great weather.
great weather.
We saw a turtle.
Oh. And where are you from?
We're from London. From England.
London. Oh. Are you two guys couple?
Yes.
We are,
Wow. So if you will rate the Philippines 10 being the highest, so what would be your rating?
yeah. Oh, 11.
11! 11 also! And where are you staying here?
Paris Hotel.
Oh,
Port Barton.
alright, sure. Thank you and enjoy and have fun here in Palawan.
Thank you.
Alright,
Enjoy
bye
yourself.
for
Bye.
now! Bye! Wow! Wow! Amazing! Isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
Say hi to our vlog!